When Mahatma Gandhi reorganized civil disobedience movement, understand, there was lot of question in the mind of people who were member of civil disobedience movement, understand, who had suffered all these movements and who had participated in this movement, and what happened to their attitudes, understand, their attitudes were changed, especially in this section. There is, you can say, rich peasant communities, ठीक है, in countryside, जैसे आपके पटीदार्स ऑफ गुजरात एंड जाट्स ऑफ यूपी, ठीक है, they were active in movement, ठीक है, पटीदार्स एंड जाट्स, ठीक है, इन यूपी, जाट्स कहाँ थे, यूपी में, एंड पटीदार्स कहाँ थे, गुजरात, ठीक है, वर एक्टिव मेंबर्स, वर एक्टिव members, understand, and all these people, they had participated in this movement. Then what happened after that, you know, being production of commercial crop, they were hard hit, ठीक है, they were commercial crop producer, ठीक है, commercial crops producer and were hard hit. सबसे ज्यादा हिट कौन हुए थे, these commercial crop producers, ठीक है, they were hard hit, ठीक है, that's why they suffered trade depression, ठीक है, trade depression was there, they suffered from trade depression, means their trade was depressed, now they could not earn profit, isn't it, because fall of agricultural prices, ठीक है, fall of agricultural prices, ठीक है, created less income of peasants, ठीक है, peasants income became less, and what happened, so they could not pay revenue, clear, these peasants, because whatever agricultural production or, you know, commercial crop production they had done, ठीक है, especially they were hard hit, there was less production and nobody was interested in purchasing their goods, ठीक है, and because of low prices they could not earn profit. Once they are not getting profit, then how they will pay revenue? This was a problem to all such peoples, understand, that's why what happened here, they had refused the government, ठीक है, to pay the revenue, and government को इन्होंने क्या किया, उनका क्या हुआ कि हाँ, refusal of revenue, ठीक है, means they refused to pay revenue, ठीक है, to government, है कि नहीं, उन्होंने गवर्नमेंट को रेवेन्यू पे करने से रिफ्यूज कर दिया, क्योंकि दे हैड नो इनकम ही नहीं तो कहाँ से रेवेन्यू देंगे, है कि नहीं, तो दिस बिकेम अ प्रॉब्लम, है कि नहीं, एंड देयर वाज वाइड स्प्रेड रिजेंटमेंट, ठीक है, एंड देयर वाज वाइड स्प्रेड anger, you can say, resentment means anger, people were angry with the system of civil disobedience movement, understand, they thought we had started civil disobedience movement, that's why we are suffering from all these problems, है कि नहीं, it was not properly planned, इसका मतलब इसकी प्लानिंग सही नहीं थी, राइट टाइम पे ये जो है आपका मूवमेंट नहीं स्टार्ट हुआ, है कि नहीं, जैसे अभी क्या कहते हैं, मोदी गवर्नमेंट को लोग क्या कहते हैं, बहुत सारे अपोजिट पार्टी वाले क्या कहते हैं कि इसकी पहले से कोई प्लानिंग नहीं थी, एकाएक लॉकडाउन लगा दिया गया है कि नहीं, इतने सारे लोगों का इकोनॉमी सफ़र कर गया है कि नहीं। वही चीज़ सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट में भी लोग अपोज करने वाले थे, ठीक है। उन्होंने कहा कि महात्मा गांधी ने प्लानिंग तो तैयार की, मूवमेंट तो बहुत अच्छा था, लेकिन इसकी प्लानिंग सही नहीं थी, इसकी वजह से हमारी कॉमर्शियल क्रॉप हार्ड हिट हो गई, और इसके साथ साथ जो है वी आर नॉट एबल टू पे रेवेन्यू। तो हाउ दिस डिसोबीडियंस शुड बी फॉलोड अगेन, isn't it? This was a question, and with this question there was various types of struggle, ठीक है। means many people who were rich, ठीक है, जो हमारे रिच पीपल्स थे, ठीक है, who had earned profit, such people they started motivating those peasants who were reluctant to follow civil disobedience movement. They started motivating them, they started forcing them that you should continue this movement again, but it could not continue for any long, again. But they were deeply disappointed when the movement was called off in 1931. जो रिच पीजेंट्स थे वो डिसअपॉइंट हो गए कि महात्मा गांधी ने ये मूवमेंट क्यों कॉल्ड ऑफ कर लिया। जो रिच पीजेंट्स थे उनको तो प्रॉफिट था उसमें, ठीक है, वो लोग तो जो है क्या कहते हैं, उन लोगों का इंपोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट का काम था, ठीक है, तो दे हैड गेटिंग प्रॉफिट, एंड वो उसके मतलब जो है लोगों को फोर्स भी कर रहे थे, लेकिन अब उनका एफर्ट क्या हुआ, दैट बिकेम डिमिनिश्ड, isn't it? That went in vain, and it created a situation of, you can say, disappointment in rich peasants, ठीक है। जो अमीर बड़े बड़े लैंडलॉर्ड्स थे उनका थोड़ी लॉस हुआ था कुछ, landlords were in profit, isn't it? That's why they were totally disappointed, and the poorer peasantry were not just interested in lowering of the revenue demand. जो पुअर पीजेंट्री थी, जो एकदम लैंडलेस फार्मर्स थे, उनका इससे लैंड मतलब जो है रेवेन्यू का लोअर होना या ना होना उससे उनको क्या फ़र्क पड़ता था, उनको तो भाई उन्होंने रेंट पे लिया था, उसी रेंट पे वो पे करते थे, ठीक है। बट व्हाट हैपेंड, many of them were small tenants cultivating, they had rented from landlords, many farmers, many small peasants, they had taken land on rent, understand, they were working for landlords, isn't it? That's why what happened, when British officials they raised revenue, understand, then landlord also raised their fares, उसके जो है क्या कहते हैं फेयर्स को उन्होंने भी बढ़ा दिया, किराया बढ़ा दिया, है कि नहीं। तो व्हाट वाज द रिजल्ट, स्मॉल पीजेंट्स they were unable to pay this tax, they cannot pay the rent, that's why small peasants refused to pay rent, ठीक है, उन्होंने कहा we will give no rent, they told no rent, है ना, they start a slogan, no rent, we cannot pay any type of rent, when we have no income how should we pay, isn't it? We were busy in such movements, we could not care about our field work, our crop, that's why we could not produce, then why should we pay rent, isn't it? So this was the situation, but here socialist and communist, India में भी socialist and communist came just on the principles of Karl Marx and Frederick Engels. You had studied in socialism in Europe, है ना, 9th पे पढ़े थे ना, socialism in Europe. There was idea of Karl Marx and Frederick Engels. They were struggling against capitalist, जो बड़े बड़े पूंजीपति होते थे. They told that why the capitalists are taking large portion of profit and workers are getting very small portion, isn't it? It is injustice for them, right? That's why they struggled in Europe, and social society was developed. Socialist peoples were developed, and they were believing in socialism, isn't it? And communism. Understand? They wanted that the property or factory or any production work, it should be government's property. ठीक है, it should be controlled by society, and whatever profits are coming, they should be equally distributed. This was the principle of socialism, right? But in India, this was against socialism. That's why socialist and communist parties, they were struggling, and they had started radical movements. Small movements were started, right, by these people, and small peasants, they participated in such movements, and they had raised the slogan no rent. ठीक है, just like in socialism and communism, you had studied in European countries, they had also such demand. But in India, Congress party, it was divided in two parts. ठीक है, there were large portion of Congress party, they did not believe, they said that no rent should not be demanded. उन्होंने कहा at least you should pay some rent. Why they did so? Because many top leaders and members of Congress party belonged to landlord family. They were rich businessman family. They had huge piece of land. Even महात्मा गांधी, पूरा गुजरात में उनकी पूरी रियासत का जो piece of land था. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's father, he was very rich person. Yes. Understand? And whatever people came, they came from rich families who had returned from foreign countries. सब कोई कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी से एजुकेशन लेके आ रहा, कोई और अमेरिकन यूनिवर्सिटी से, कोई रशियन यूनिवर्सिटी से, सब हाईली एजुकेटेड थे. तो वो लैंडलॉर्ड फैमिलीज थे. तो उन्होंने कहा कि अगर हमारे पीजेंट्स जो है रेंट नहीं पे करेंगे तो हमारा कैसे जो है हमें प्रॉफिट कैसे होगा. इसलिए वो क्या हो गए, डिफरेंसेस आ गए उनमें व्यूज़ में. अब कांग्रेस वीक पड़ गई. ठीक है, और इस तरीके से जो है महात्मा गांधी का सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट धड़ाम से गिर गया नीचे. ठीक है, इट बिकेम हेल्पलेस, है ना, राइट. क्या हुआ? तो ये सारी सिचुएशंस क्रिएट होने के बाद रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द पुअर पीजेंट्स एंड द कांग्रेस रिमेन अनसर्टेन. एक क्वेश्चन राइट करो सब लोग. दिस क्वेश्चन may come in board examination. Why did relationship between the poor peasants and the Congress, why did the relationship between the poor peasants and Congress remain uncertain in 1934? In 1934. ठीक है, तो the reason behind it was because the poor peasants, they wanted to pay no rent, isn't it? And they had started radical movements, but Congress party was not in favor of this, isn't it? They were not, they told that we do not allow such thing. They did not support. अगर कांग्रेस का सपोर्ट मिला होता पीजेंट्स को तो आपका रेवेन्यू क्या हो गया होता, नो रेंट हो जाता, रेवेन्यू जो है हमारा रिवाइव हो जाता. और एक महात्मा गांधी हैड कॉल्ड ऑफ दिस मूवमेंट, बट ही डिड नॉट रिवाइज द रेट ऑफ रेवेन्यू. विदाउट रिवाइजिंग एनी रेवेन्यू, महात्मा गांधी कॉल्ड दिस मूवमेंट. This was the major drawback of civil disobedience movement. ठीक है, and peasants were angry for this. ठीक है, कि भाई आपने मूवमेंट कॉल्ड ऑफ तो कर लिया लेकिन आपने स्ट्रगल क्यों नहीं किया, जो है क्योंकि why you have not suppressed or forced British government to revise revenue, है कि नहीं. तो एक क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे और क्या आया कि रेवेन्यू was not revised. ठीक है, before calling of CDM. ठीक है, by महात्मा गांधी. This was also a major drawback. ठीक है? And people were reluctant. When Mahatma Gandhi restarted this movement, most of the people refused. Some, ताकि it is wastage of our time. There is no fruitful result. है कि नहीं? कुछ लोग इंटेलेक्चुअल्स होते थे, लेकिन उस समय सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट में महात्मा गांधी जैसा कोई लीडर नहीं था उनको सपोर्ट करने में, है कि नहीं? उनके पास कोई इंटेलेक्चुअल कमिटी नहीं थी जो उनको एडवाइस करती महात्मा गांधी को। उस समय के वॉलंटियर्स थे, पीपल्स वर लेस एजुकेटेड, ओनली फ्यू पीपल्स वर एजुकेटेड बट दे बिलोंग टू हाई ब्रैकेट, हाई क्लास ब्रैकेट. Understand? That's why they were thinking about their own class. Understand? Nobody thought about poors. Nobody thought about common peasants. So it created a problem.